All right, I'm going to talk about a few things we can do with snip and sketch. So if I go down here to the bottom, I'm going to search for snip and sketch. If you don't have it, you may need to download it from the company portal. When I have the screen I want to take a screenshot or a picture of, I hit new. I highlight the area I want to take a picture of. Okay, now if all, that will also copy it. So if all I want to do is paste it into a different document, I can hit Control V and paste it. But if I want to draw on this, I can select markers, I can select highlighters, I can select all kinds of pens. So if I wanted to solve it, I can write on this picture that I took. Then if I go up here to the right and I hit copy or save, you could save it to your Surface Go or hit copy. I can come back and paste it or Control V, and it will save all my writing on my picture. So those are some things that's called snip and sketch. Snip and sketch.